Hi everybody, I'm Brian. Welcome back to Stewart's Smokehouse. Today we're making a whiskey peach barbecue sauce that's sweet, smoky, and packed with flavor. I'm using apple Crown Royal whiskey because I think it'll go well with the peaches. Simmer it, cook off the alcohol. We're going to add our peach preserves. Cook that down, let it melt into the rest of it. Then we're going to add our ketchup, vinegar, honey, brown sugar, Worcestershire cider, mustard, and all of our seasonings. The amounts will be listed on the screen and in the description. Here I'm using about 1 tablespoon of habanero peach honey, just for a little extra kick. But you could do just 2 tablespoons of regular honey. Here I'm using spicy brown mustard because I don't have regular yellow mustard. But whatever you have will work just fine. Once everything's combined, we're going to let it simmer low and slow until it thickens. After I tasted it, I realized I needed something more. A little body, a little creaminess, and a little smoky spice flavor. So I added smoked paprika and then half a stick of butter. Let that melt in there and it was perfect. So, after I tasted it, the peach notes come through first, with the apple, followed by a little smoke and a subtle whiskey flavor. It's not too bad. If you don't like whiskey, you'll still love this.